Hello everyone. Today I have prepared the bitter gourd that is stuffed with spicy masala, making it flavorful while balancing its natural bitterness. I took some fresh bitter gourds for cooking. Why bitter gourd is used in cooking? It is a natural detoxer, balances flavors in meal, it is rich in vitamin A, C and antioxidants, and it is a diabetic management. First of all, peel all the bitter gourd lightly and make a slit on the middle of each bitter gourd. Remove the seeds and the white pith inside to reduce bitterness. Now, in a bowl, mix 2 teaspoons of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix the mixture and apply this mixture both inside and outside the slit bitter gourds. This step helps to draw out the excess bitterness. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Place the salted bitter gourds in the hot oil. Stir and cook them on medium flame until they become soft and tender. Remove them from the pan and let them cool completely. And now it's time to prepare the stuff. In a pan, dry roast few curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 8 to 10 dried chilies, as adjust to your spicy preference. Transfer these roasted ingredients to a mixer or a blender jar. In this, add 5 garlic pods, 1 tablespoon of rock salt. Salt should be adjusted as your taste. A piece of dry coconut about 3 inches and 2 tablespoons of roasted Bengal gram. Blend everything to form a coarse powder. This will be your stuffing mix. Take each pulled bitter gourd and fill it generously with the prepared stuffing. Heat the remaining oil in the kadai. Carefully place the stuffed bitter gourds in the pan. Fry them on low to medium flame, turning gently so that stuffing cooks and releases its aroma. Once done, the bitter gourds will have a crispy exterior and a flavorful aromatic stuffing inside. And now let's learn how to cook tomato dal. In a pressure cooker, I added 1 cup of soaked tur dal, For this preparation, we are using 1 lemon size tamarind. It should be soaked in the water, and 1 large onion, 2 large tomatoes, 5 to 6 chilies, and few curry leaves. And for seasoning, we have to add few curry leaves, seasoning seeds, 1 tablespoon jeera powder, 6 to 7 garlic pods, and 3 to 4 dried buttermilk chilies. In a pressure cooker, add the soaked tur dal, chopped tomatoes, onions, green chilies, curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Close the lid and cook for 3 whistles or until the dal is soft. Once the pressure is released, open the cooker and mash the dal and other ingredients with a dal masher or a spoon. Add the tamarind water strained from the soaked tamarind and mix well. Now it's time to prepare the seasoning. In a small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 3 salted dried buttermilk chilies. If you want, you can replace them with red chilies also, but in seasoning, I like this spicy most. And crushed garlic pods and 1 tablespoon of seasoning seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves. Let them splitter and become aromatic. Add a pinch of hing for extra flavor. Pour the seasoning over the cooked dal and stir it gently. This plate represents a classic Indian meal often enjoyed in many households, especially in regions where simply home cooked meal hold cultural significance. The food is served on a traditional leaf plate which has been used for centuries in India. It is considered as eco-friendly, hygienic, and adds earthy aroma to the meal. If you like the recipe, please share, like, and subscribe. Bye bye.